Okay, so this time we will now find the product at the same time, the quotient of two functions. Okay, so here, given m of x that is equal to square root of x plus 2, n of x that is equal to x cubed minus 4, p of x that is equal to 5x minus 3, and q of x that is equal to x over x plus 2, we will find out the product. First is we have m and p of x, the product of m and p of x. So here, this will become, this means we're going to multiply the m of x and p of x. So by definition, this will become m of x times p of x. So what is our m of x? Here, square root of x plus 2, and our p of x, we have 5x minus 3. We will multiply these two. So we have square root of x plus 2 will be multiplied to 5x. So this will become 5x square root of x plus 2. And x plus square root of x plus 2 times negative 3. So this will become negative 3 square root of x plus 2. Okay, so that would be the result. So be very careful in multiplying radical and whole numbers. You will multiply 3, negative 3 here. Dili siya sa should. Negative 3 times 1, 1 here. That is why we have negative 3 square root of x plus 2. And 5x also, you will multiply on the on this one. Dili siya i-multiply sa should. 5x, dili pwede. Huh? So kung radical ini diri, for example, square root of x plus 2 times square root of 5x, dili ka mag-multiply lang sa should. 5 times x, among sinayang pag-multiply. Sa should sang radicand na sign, among ina-multiply. Then ang sa gawas lang, among natin ina-multiply. So for example, ina siya, ara derives 2. Dili naman kay ari sang 3. Inis lang sa gawas, among ina-multiply. 2 times 3, we have 6. 6 ang sa gawas. Then dili naman sa should, we have 5 x squared plus 5x times 2, we have 10x. Yun, ana ang pag-multiply. Sa gawas, o ang sa should. Ang whole numbers, ang i-multiply, then ang sa should naman sa radical sign, ang mula tayo i-multiply. So, pila man din ang iya sa gawas nga whole number, that is equal to 1. So, 5x times 1, 5x squared of x plus 2. Then sa pikas naman, negative 3 times square root of x plus 2. Okay? So this is taken as 1. Basta din niya sila, ang mag-multiply natin dito sa tagsa-tagsa. I-distribute natin sa ila tagsa-tagsa. Okay? So that is how you are going to multiply. Next, diri, m times n of x. So inis sila nga duwa atong kung sila i-multiply. Saan man natin pag-multiply? This will become m of x times n of x. So, pila man ang m of x? So, we have our m of x here is square root of x plus 2, and n of x, we have x cubed minus 4. Okay? So, the result, aton siya i-multiply in x cubed diri. So, we have x cubed, ano na? Square root of x plus 2, and negative 4 times square root of x plus 2, we have negative 4 square root of x plus 2. So this would be the answer. So sa gawas, ang sa whole number, ang sa should naman, sa should that's sa radical. Okay? So, next, the product of p and q. Our p of x, so this means p of x times q of x. Pila ang aton p of x? We have 5x minus 3 times q of x, we have x over x plus 2. So take note in multiplying numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So what is the denominator of 5x minus 3? That is equal to 1. So you will multiply the numerator to the numerator. So this will become 5x. X will be multiplied to 5x times negative 3. So x times 5x, 5x squared. X times negative 3, we have negative 3x. Ano? We distribute nino. Next, copy x plus 2. Ano? X plus 2 times 1, that is x plus 2. So this is now the answer. Here, m of x over p. We will divide. What is m of x over p of x? Our m of x is square root of x plus 2, and our p of x, we have 5x minus 3. So since we cannot divide 5x minus 3 to square root of x plus 2, so then that would be the answer. We cannot simplify it anymore. Next, p over m of x. This is p of x over m of x. Our p of x is 5x minus 3, and our m of x is square root of x plus 2. Okay? Since the denominator is square root of x plus 2, then we will simplify. This is what we call as rationalizing. At pun pangitaan sang paagi nga mauwahain siya ang radical sa ubos. So we will multiply the numerator at the same time the denominator kung pila ang radical sa ubos. X plus 2 para makancel ang radical sa ubos. That is what we mean by rationalizing. Okay? We have here, we will multiply. We have 5x times square root plus, ano? Then 5x times square root of x plus 2. Then the other one is negative 3 times square root of x plus 2. So ubos naman, this one, this will become square root of x plus 2 times square root of x plus 2. We will simplify. We have equals 5x square root of x plus 2 minus 3 square root of x plus 2 over x plus 2. Okay? So that's it. That is the answer. So square root of x plus 2 times x plus 2 is x plus 2. Okay? Next, for number 6, we have p divided by q of x. So in this case, this means that we will divide p of x over q of x. So what is our p of x? We have 5x minus 3 over. Our q of x is x over x plus 2. So take note in dividing numbers, you will get the reciprocal of the denominator, especially fractions, wherein there are fractions involved. You will get the reciprocal of the divisor, then after which multiply. So since our divisor here is x over x plus 2, this is the value of our qx, we will get the reciprocal of this one. So we have 5x minus 3 times the reciprocal of x over x plus 2. We have x plus 2 over x. Then we will multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. Okay, so we have 5x minus 3 times x plus 2. We have 5x squared. Then 5x times 2, we have 10x. Then negative 3 times x, negative 3x, negative 3 times 2, we have negative 6 over x. Then simplify, we have 5x squared plus 7x, 10 minus 3, that would be 7x minus 6 divided by x. Okay, so this is now the answer. So that is how you are going to get the product at the same time the quotient of two functions. Thank you.